Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am unbagging a diamond painting from onedaysaving.com. So onedaysaving.com recently contacted me and asked if I would be interested in showing one of their diamond painting pens. So of course I said yes, and I have already done that review and I will put a link up here. So they said, would you like to review a pen? So I chose a pen and they said, okay, would you like to choose a diamond painting as well? So when I did the unbagging of the pen, you saw that the pen and the diamond painting came in a grey bag basically. So this is the diamond painting that came, so we're going to have a look at this today. So bubble envelope, and just a matter of pulling this off. Pretty strong glue in these things. Open it up and see what we've got. The glue has caught the bag. There we go. We can see quite a bit of colour in this one. Not as colourful as the ones I have been reviewing recently, but still nice. I like the colour. I'm going to switch this light off. Get rid of that. Oop. A bit better. Okay, so we have the diamond painting is folded. It is not obviously in a box, it isn't rolled, which is pretty standard for the budget companies. It saves a bit of money not having to box them, so you reap the benefit. But the flip side of that is when I open it up, you'll see there are waves in the canvas. Now I'm just trying to figure out how this one opens. Okay, I'm just going to cheat then. This is like trying to open those bags of chewing gum, trying to find the edge, but I found it. So take it out of the bag and have a quick look at this. So we can see we have 25 colours in this one. And a little thumbnail. It is a long picture. It's quite narrow, but it's pretty long. So before we actually have a look at the whole thing, we'll have a look at what's inside, which should be the drills. It's tightly packed, and the goodie bag. Again, basic kit. We get the pink pen, single placer, no multi-placer, no straightener, no squidgy, just basic pen. A square of pink wax and the good old green tray. So basic kit, that is the absolute minimum that you will get, but it is all you need to diamond paint. So we'll put that to one side and we'll have a look at the drills. And again, trying to find where it opens. Found it quite quickly this time. And these are individually bagged in resealable bags, which I really like. Especially for someone who is totally new, these things are really good. Because you can reuse the bag. So basically what you do is you open the bag of the colour that you need, you pour some in your tray, you use them, the spares you pour them back in the bag, you seal it, and that's it. You don't need any other kind of storage system. So a big thumbs up for this. It is the easiest way to work, especially when you are new and you have no other extra kit. So the bags are numbered. This number here, 21, is 21 on here. So it is the symbol P on the picture. So the first number refers to the number on the key. Then the second number is the DMC code. So 3845, 3846. And if we find black, always go for black because it's an easy one to find, and black is 310. These are DMC codes, which is a standard way of numbering colours. So if you see any kit that has a DMC code from any company and it has the number 310, the drills will be black. Just as if you see number 3846, the drills will be this colour. So it's a way to standardise the colours. So if you are doing a future diamond painting, you've maybe got some of these left and you keep them in the bag, so you know you've got some 310s. You're doing a future kit, you find out that you're missing some black, you can use the drills from this one. So it's a handy thing. So we'll have a look at the actual drills. Now what I do is normally I just move them around to make sure they're not sticking together. These feel like they may be, but I know what the problem is. It's because there's no air in the bag. So just open the bag. If you find that they feel as if they're clumping, open the bag and then reseal it, and then you'll suddenly find that they don't clump. But the reason that I do that is I'm looking to check that there is no oil. It can happen that in the manufacturing process some oil or lubricant from the machines can get inside a bag, and what happens is they all stick together in a big lump, which you don't want, because it's going to cause you problems when you try to actually diamond paint. So no problem at all. So round drills, nothing, again just checking, but it's absolutely fine. You can see how easy they move. So drills are absolutely fine. A few colours in this one, but as I said, not as colourful as some of the ones I've done recently. I've been going through a bright colour phase. Maybe it's because it's Danish winter time. I'm looking for colours to cheer me up. But some nice colours in this. That's why I got this one. I like the combination of colours. So have a look at the thumbnail. You can see two little birds in the middle, and the reason that I got this one is because my wife's favourite colour is green and my favourite colour is blue. So we have greens in this side and blues in that side, and then two little birds in the middle. Size is 80 by 30, so pretty long but narrow at the same time. So not actually that big. I mean, it's not like an 80 by 80 or anything, it's only 30 by 80. So definitely manageable. I just liked the picture, and as I said, the colours meant something, so I think it's a really nice one. Again, poured glue. We've got the clear cover, and peel it back. We'll have a little look at the canvas, see what the print quality is like. I noticed the canvas has actually got little specks, little glitter, pieces of glitter in it. Don't know if that comes across, but nice and clear, no problems. Just tilt it against the light. You can see the glue, nice and sticky. So that is it. Short but sweet. 80 by 30 from onedaysaving.com. So another very nice diamond painting from onedaysaving.com. As I said, budget company, so all of the diamond paintings come in bags, and they are folded, they aren't rolled up. so you will get waves in the canvas. So the best thing to do is put them under your mattress for a few days, and that will flatten them out, or put heavy books on them. This one is quite long, so a mattress is probably going to be easier than putting a row of books out somewhere. But it will flatten out, and I would definitely recommend that you do that before you start working on it, because the waves will tend to stay in the canvas, and you will notice them when you put them up in the wall, because the drills will be sitting at different angles, and you tend to see the lines where the folds were. So definitely a good idea to flatten it before you start. Again, resealable bags, that is the best in my opinion, especially for someone who's new and doesn't have any kind of storage system like Tic Tac boxes or Harbor Freight or anything like that. If you're totally new, you can work from the bags, you can reseal them. They're already labelled, they're numbered, they've got the DMC code on them. So when you finish a diamond painting, you've already got a backlog of DMC colours that you can use maybe in future diamond paintings where you're short of a colour. So yeah, I really like the companies that do the resealable bags. I just think they are the easiest for us, and especially for beginners. And obviously that's important. You don't want people to try their first diamond painting and get fed up because they have to cut up bags and open bags and then find somewhere to store the drills, and it just adds extra hassle that you don't want. Basically you just want to get on with your diamond painting. So resealable bags are the easiest way to work. The drills are fine, no problems with them. As you saw, they slide around in the bag, no problem, no oil or anything. And the print, again, is fine, no problems at all. Poured glue, not as colourful as the ones that I've been doing recently. Just went through a little phase there where I was looking for brightly coloured diamond paintings. This one's a bit more subdued, but I really like the blend of the colours. I think it looks really nice, and I'm looking forward to seeing that one. It won't be going up here because it won't fit, it'll be going up here. So yeah, that's it. I will put a link, a direct link to this. If you see it and you think that yeah, that's nice, I would like that, I'll put a direct link to it in the description. I'll also put a link to the website, and you can have a browse through. They do diamond paintings, obviously, and cross stitch and paint by numbers, so there is a lot to look at. You can also get a 5% discount if you use the code that I will put in the description below, and you usually find that they have special offers. So if you go to the website, have a look and see what the special offers are, and see what you find. Everybody has different tastes, and they cater for pretty much everything, I would say. So I would say definitely worth a look. So that's it, onedaysaving.com. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to see more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, reviews, whatever, anything to do with diamond painting, please subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you may catch me live on YouTube Live. I do random lives where I'm working on my current project and just basically chit-chatting with other diamond painters around the world. Starting to get to know quite a few people now from different countries, which is nice. And we just spend a bit of time, have a bit of a chit-chat. Sometimes we talk about diamond painting, sometimes we talk about the weather. Well, in fact, thinking about it, normally we talk about the weather because everybody is living in different areas. So some people it's too hot, some people it's too cold, some people it's too wet, too dry, too sunny, too cloudy. It's always something in common to talk about. But the conversations can spin off into pretty much anything. But the main thing is people enjoy spending the time, have a bit of fun, have a chat, and that's it. That's all it's for. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.